How you doing? What I'm doing now, I'm just doing the silicone. I've tidied up, I've grouted, I've tidied up, put nearly everything in the van, and I'm just doing the finishing touches. Run around with a bit of silicone. I asked the owners what colour they wanted. Like, you can, with your silicone, you can go either white or your grey. They said, "Oh, we'll go white Chryso, so it matches the bathroom." So yeah, okay, easy peasy. Always with tiled floors, you try not to have your tiles touching the skirting. Allow for a little bit of movement. There's always movement in wooden floors and walls, so never jam in tight. Same as a concrete floor. It's always good to put your skirting on top. But in this case, you know, the owners didn't want that. They didn't want to replace all the skirting, so I said, okay, we'll just silicone it. So here we go. We're doing it. I'm using a bigger bottle for my waste silicone until I get an empty silicone container. I'll show you that soon. Just finishes it off nicely. Nice bit of silicone. Beautiful. Nice. So I thought this job would take me about 4 hours to finish this morning. So all up, it's taken me 22 hours from start to finish this job. Nice. the lady of the house asked me when can she mop it. Well, the ideal day to mop it is the next day, and then you got no fear of dragging your grout out with the mop. Bit of grout. That's not a good practice to go over where you've sprayed it, but sometimes you just have to, because you're running over a bit of grout or a bit of rubbish there that you missed. But you do your best not to have any foreign matter. And there you go. See, I use that one. I use that one a lot, but then on the odd occasion I use that one. Just having a laugh. So there are, two hand tools that I use a fair bit. When I'm waterproofing, it's that one, and it's with me all the time. That one, when I'm doing this finishing silicone. The best way to get through a job like this with your cuts is just relax and just keep at it, and you get through your cuts. And it's quite surprising, you know, how you get through them, and it's they're done, because a lot of cuts can be a real pain. Bit of a squirt. Better come back to that. You get the occasional bit of grout that you've missed, and you try and watch for that sort of thing, but sometimes you just miss it. Okay. I'll come back to you shortly. See ya.